Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host, John Gorham. Today we're talking about a concerning issue that's got Tesla owners scratching their heads, or rather, their 20-inch rims. It turns out some 2026 Tesla model why Juniper vehicles have been auto-curbing themselves while parking. Yeah, you heard me right, those fancy self-driving cars can't even avoid the curb without scuffing up your wheels. I recently stumbled upon an interview with Sergey B., a Tesla Model Y Juniper owner who shared his harrowing experience of having his 20-inch rim damaged by the car's auto-parking feature. Sergey reported that he didn't even need to touch the wheel, and yet the car still managed to hit the curb and leave a nasty scratch. Now, I'm not one to shy away from calling out a company when they've messed up, and it looks like Tesla might have made a few mistakes here. First of all, Sergey called Tesla corporate, expecting them to replace his damaged rim free of charge. What did he get? A whopping $900 bill for replacement parts and labor. That's right, folks. The very car that's supposed to save you from parking headaches is now leaving you with some serious repair bills. But here's the thing, Sergey wasn't alone in this problem. He found out that many other Tesla owners have had similar experiences with their own vehicles. Some of these owners even shared stories of how they damaged their own wheels while using the auto parking feature. It's like Tesla just assumed that no one would ever get hurt by its fancy tech. Now, I know what you're thinking. Maybe this is just a minor glitch, and Tesla will eventually fix it with an update or something. But let me tell you, folks, when you've got a car that's supposed to save your life while driving, the last thing you want is for it to be leaving you vulnerable in parking situations. So what do we need from Tesla here? We need them to take responsibility for their product and fix this issue once and for all. And if they can't do that, maybe it's time to consider looking elsewhere for our next car purchase. Thanks for watching Electro Drive News. I'm John Gorham. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on X for more news and updates about the latest electric vehicles on the market.